Sa akin, pag naiisip ko yung title na yun, parang Christmas Abroad. And speaking of abroad, I know na meron dito na malayo sa mga minamahal natin sa buhay and this is at the So, it is so sad to spend the holidays away from our loved ones, of course. And we do miss them every day, but we miss them most during this season. So I dedicate my second set to the people spending the holidays away from home. So, may you feel the joy and love this time. So, this one's for you. From